Right, we are going to have a look at what £21.25 gets you in Hanoi in Vietnam. So this is the room that we've got. We've got a 2-bedroom apartment. So let me just go on a wide camera so you get a better view. So you've got the kitchen over here, obviously, a nice big fridge freezer. We've just done a shopping. So as you can see, we've got plenty of veg, eggs, frozen bits. We've got a lot of rice, we've got a nice cooker included. Pretty much all the pots and pans that are under here, the drainers, all came with it. All the bowls and stuff like that. There is no forks though, so just a heads up, there's only chopsticks. We brought our own forks though, so luckily we've got some bits. Kettle, like I said, there's some frying pans. Bit of storage there, somewhere for your shoes and your coats. Christmas tree, because obviously it's just been festive season. We are now on New Year's Day. We arrived last night. So obviously we've got our stuff set up ready for recording this podcast. I'll give you a quick look out of the view here. So obviously it's in like a blocks of flats. They're all the same like setup. They've all got shops underneath, as you can see over there. We've got pretty much the same underneath us. There's a little like pool area over there with jacuzzi, not jacuzzi, with a playground, sorry. We've got a private swimming pool upstairs that's just for this one block. Each block's got its own pool. There's a massive playground over at road, so it's perfect for girls. Alright, let's have a look into the master bedroom. So master bedroom, this is the main one. It's quite big. Wardrobe is behind the door, which is a little bit awkward obviously if someone's in the wardrobe and you open the door. Into the bathroom, this is the master bathroom. Nice jet, you can adjust it out the bottom as well so you don't fire your bum all off. Which I immediately did when I got here. I've now turned it down. Hello Nova. Alright, we're into the main like bathroom for everyone. Obviously that was ensuite master. Technically this one would be the master, but to me the other one's nicer, but they're both very nice. They're obviously very modern. Decent showers in them. The only thing I don't like with the shower is that it's one of them where it fastens to the wall and it's pointing that way, so the jet just fires straight across. Look, we're just Nova's multiplicating. She's in this room as well. So this is the second bedroom. Nice big wardrobe in the corner. This is really a box room, but I mean it's got enough room for the two of them in here. Obviously got a laptop there to sit and watch telly. Washing up area for your washing machine. Drying your clothes. These go up and down, so you go like that. That winds up and down there to dry your clothes on. As you can see, everyone's drying theirs over there. Washing machine, we've been and bought a load of wash powder. It came with some, the other thing that you do that men don't use, softener. It came with some of that as well, but obviously we went and bought wash powder. But yeah, I think it's a nice appearance. It looks nice. They've got the decorations. A little bit of a Friends theme over there on the wall as well. It's clean. There were a few scuffs on the wall. We sent them pictures. Bit of difficulty getting in. Got here, it was night time, and the guy that were on reception didn't want to let us in, but that's no fault of the people that we rented it off. The guy at reception just wasn't listening, that we were trying to get to the lockers to get his key card to use for the lift, because you can't come up in the lift without tapping the card first. So don't forget your card, because we did that this morning. We went out to the park, forgot to bring the card, and oh no, we forgot my phone. I had the code on to get into the room. The card gets you into the lift. Then the card is used on your door, and then you type in a PIN code on the door to open the door. And we left the phones inside, and the phones had the passcode on. So we had to go down to reception and get them to ring the host to get the passcode so we can get in. But we've learnt his lesson now. We've memorised the code. So yeah, I think this is not bad for the money at all. We are in a nice area as well. It's about 30 minutes drive to like the main city area. This is like a waterfront area. So right, I'll just chuck in a quick video at the end of this. I'll go up onto the rooftop and I'll video off, and you can see where the water area is. There's like two big lakes. There's one that's like crystal blue with like fake sand and stuff like that. So you got like a mini beach, because obviously we're very far inland. It were about 45 minutes from the airport as well, so it's convenient to get to from the airport. But yeah, I think it's fantastic. Obviously we're comparing this against the last one that we were in. This is fantastic for the money for what it is as a condo. But obviously we're always going to have hearts on for that villa that we were in last, because it was beautiful. It was so peaceful and back to everything, and just very tranquil being on your own. But this is nice to be back in the city, so we can go out and do stuff. We've already been and seen the massage place down the road. There's shops everywhere that you can get pretty much everything you want and grab as well. So yeah, perfect. See you all next time. Bye. Right, as promised, we're going to show you the roof. I just thought I'd give you a quick update as well in terms of the room. The beds are extremely comfortable. It's super quiet on a night. I got to bed pretty early and I have no trouble getting to sleep. There's barely any noise from any of the apartments. The walls are super thick. There's no real disturbance or anything like that. I'll give you a quick look around the pool. And then we head up to the top floor. Pool's open every day pretty much. It closes for 2 hours in the afternoon. So we'll give you a look at the view. There's a little park up here. I'll show you over this side. So you can see the main park there, that's like the big park next to us. Obviously all the other condos and stuff like that. Then you're getting like the smaller complexes. There's a barbecue up here, there's a barbecue in the park as well, there's about 6 of them that you can rent. Football field and stuff's part of this as well. You put your room number in on the app. So if you look over there now you can see the fake beach. It's a bit difficult to see through this glass. But yeah, that is everywhere else.